Welcome back. Now, if you're looking at the business pricing, you're going to notice on the left side menu that there is a link that says to see option for enterprise. What you're also going to notice if you are a user of the Microsoft Publisher application is that that application is going to be missing from those that you have available to you. So if you click over to the see options for enterprise, you're going to notice different plans for different pricing. First, for these plans, you are going to be required to commit on an annual basis, so you will be paying all at once. Secondly, you'll have access to the Publisher application, as you can see across most of the plans. You'll notice that there is a $12 and $8 plan, which compare fairly closely to plans similar in price on the small business side, but you're also going to notice two other plans at $20 and $35 per month on an annual basis. And of course, this is going to be per person on your team. You're also going to notice that instead of the cloud storage being limited to 1 terabyte, that the storage is considered to be unlimited. And at the highest range, Microsoft is offering you a phone system to use between those who are on your team. However, if you're not looking to add on any of the additional features at $20 or $35 a month, and you don't necessarily need the Publisher application, you'll be able to use most of the applications in the small business section comparable to those at the enterprise level. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.